several Southeast Asian companies, and we are planning to expand. So this one, we can even set how many seconds it is still in the work.
Actually, this is a demo set to show you that this is the live footage not from the computer, but it will be from the CCTV inside. So the CCTV and you automatically will feed into the system, system will analyze. Then from there, only for example, you put in, system will analyze for the footage of CCTV.
Now I want to present you about the dashboard. Okay. So here we have 4 tabs. We have overview, we have people, zone, and history. So this is usually where management want to see.
Okay. So actually we are showing you here is one of the sample. Because actually the company is a tailor-made software. Meaning to say according to your company and design a new one according to your management business objective. What is the thing you want to measure? We will do it accordingly. It's not a subscription basis that we give you the same for everyone. We will design accordingly.
We partnered with DigiLab, one of the biggest supplier of humanoid. Even if you try to move it around, it won't bug. You can submerge into in the water, and the speed can go up to 8 meters per second. If you try to outrun it, you cannot. Basically, can outrun you very fast. Okay. Alright, so you can see we created this mount on top of it so that we can mount anything, any kind of customization you can put on top. Okay?
You see, I explain one by one card. So the first one, it will show you the person. Like this is Ezra, this is unknown. And then the second one is the front eye that have QR and also face recognition. And then this is for the QR scanning. This is for inventory. So you can scan this like dummy box. You see? Okay, you can see box 3 and box 1. Box 3 is control unit and box 1 spare parts. Yeah, then we want to show you about the petrol. As well, can you help me configure the robot to do the petrol from outside? Okay, this is basically the URDF, or whatever happens in the digital world also happens in real world. Real world also happens in digital world. So this is the control.
So this is where next time you put your factory plan, then you will gel with the robot. I think you know the robot location and also your people can put everything in one digital twin map.
Yeah. So this is the drive control. Of course, this is more manual, but for the automatic as well, and you change to the route mode.